I saw beautynews24.com. Now I am reading to some mm, some things. Uh, Name report. India's monsoon. India report name. India's monsoon is going to get terrible from according to millions of years of data. This report will published 6 June 2021 2 p.m. Mm, The report said that as global warming increases, the monsoon season in India is coming with more rains, more dangers. A new study has further strengthened this long-held notion of scientists. Scientists have long understood that climate change is changing the rainy season. Previous studies using computer models have shown that as greenhouse gas emissions increases as temperatures rise, increased humidity in hot weather makes summers and monsoons more prone to rain, sometimes with heavy rainfall with no forecasts. A new research report published in the journal Science Advance on Friday has provided new evidence in support of that idea. By analyzing the data on how the climate has changed in the last 1 million years, the scientists wanted to give an idea in this study what the rainy season might be like tomorrow. In India and South Asia, the average monsoon season is June to September. The heavy rainfall brought by the monsoon winds at this time is very important for the agro-based economy of the region. We know agro-based economy means agriculture economy is the best position in this country. This rain directly affects the lives of one-fifth of the world's people, just as timely rains increase crop production. Agro-based crop production and seasonal heavy rains also destroy crops. Heavy rains bring floods, take away leaves, destroy localities, spread pollute pollution. Ops. The new study suggests that as a direct result of climate change, the mood of the entire region may change as the monsoon changes. How did scientists get the information on 1 million years of climate change for this study? No, they don't have a time machine. They worked with mud. Every monsoon mud mean uh, the land is rain like. Every monsoon the whole of India is washed away and the rain water reached the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean and huge sediments. Scientists have collected the samples by digging the sea surface. In this work, soil samples have been taken up to a depth of 200 meters from the surface to get an idea of rainfall from the new layers deposited every monsoon. In the year when there is more rain, the supply of fresh water in the sea increases, the salinity of the surface decreases, it kills many small and microscopic creatures on the surface of the sea. The remains of which are deposited with the soil layer. In the soil, history is written on the surface of the sea floor layer by layer every year. After collecting soil samples, the scientists examined the fossils of the dead plankton and analyzed the oxygen isotopes. It gives an idea about the salinity of the water at that time. It has been observed that the amount of carbon dioxide in the air increases. The humidity in the monsoon air starts to increase after the ice level decreases, and then comes the period of excessive rainfall and decrease in salinity in the seawater. Scientists say another change in the monsoon season is imminent as human activity continues to increase the amount of greenhouse gases in the air. The study was led by Stephen Clemens, a professor of Earth Environment and Planetary Science at Brown University. Analyzing data over the last 1 million years, we have seen that the amount of rainfall in the monsoon season in Southeast increases significantly after the increases in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, he said. As a result, the predictions of climate models that we have been receiving for so long are in line with the trend of millions of years. Anders Laverman, a professor of climate dynamics at the Potsdam Institute in Germany, has not been involved in this new study but has previously studied different models of monsoon winds. Leverman says he is relieved that the result of the new study coincides with their predictive research on climate models because their efforts have not gone astray. The huge amount of information that came out of this study is remarkable. This information speaks of millions of years of world history. The laws of nature that we see every day are making a clear impressions on that earth. The researcher is also sure that this trend is bringing misery to the people of the Indian subcontinent. He says the amount of rain and damage in recent years has already increased, but the risk they see in the future will be catastrophic. Moreover, as the season ends, so does the risk to life and the environment. Professor Stephen Clemens and his fellow researchers took part in a two-month expedition to collect soil samples from the seabed. In this work, they used the Joyce resolution as a safe used in drilling oils, which has been modified for research. The ship started its mission in November 2014 with 100 crew and 30 scientists. The team of Clemens has created this huge database by analyzing the samples are collected at the time by digging the seafloor. We have been following this for many years. He said it's good that we are able to publish this information now.